In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer videos from Samsung to a MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have videos on your Samsung device and you would like to transfer them to your MacBook, regardless of the model, or vice versa, where you will be transferring from the MacBook to the Samsung, you can follow the instructions in this video to get it done. So, first, you will need to download Smart Switch. Sadly, by default, it seems like you cannot transfer files without this program. This program is going to be developed by Samsung, so it is an official app that they have hosted on their website. So go to samsung.com, and in here you will find all of the download methods, including Mac OS download. So download Samsung Smart Switch on your MacBook, run the installer, and let this process finish. Once it is finished, you might be prompted to restart your Mac. So finish watching this video and then you can restart the Mac to have it properly installed. Now, once you open Smart Switch for the first time, you might see this pop up. They would like to use a new driver extension. If you see this, open the system settings and make sure that all of the drivers are enabled. If you don't see that pop up, then just proceed on with using the app. But if you do see the pop up, like I said, enable all of these. They will be important for the app to properly detect your smartphone and allow you to make this transfer. So once all of them have been enabled, you can tap Done and return to Samsung Smart Switch. Now connect your device to get started. This will be done by using a USB cable. So you plug one end of the USB cable into the Samsung device, usually USB-C, and the other end goes into your MacBook. You can use USB-A or USB-C as the port. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that a connection was established between the MacBook and the Samsung smartphone. Once the connection has been established, then you will be able to back up, restore, and most importantly, open the file browser where you can find all of your photos and videos. Now you will have a bunch of folders. Usually photos and videos will be stored under the DCIM folder, so just open it up, and once you are inside, drag any files that you have on Smart Switch to any folder inside a Finder or anything else on your MacBook. You can also right-click and see if there is any options to copy, cut, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.